How to create WeChat account without QR code. So if you want to create a WeChat account without QR code, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now go with search. Under search, you need to search for help.wechat.com. And here you need to go with the upper right option, which is send feedback. And now you need to select the platform. So I'm choosing Android. Go with region and go with category, which is unable to log in. And in the description, you need to write, I need help in registration to a new account. And you can also upload a screenshot if you want to, and go with the mobile number. So first enter your registration like country code, mobile number, and then the email address. And after that, you need to scroll down, check this box and go with submit. Once you've submitted, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can create your WeChat account without QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.